Hi, this video will show you some features in the Customer Center. So to go to Customer Center, you click Customers and then Customer Center. So in QuickBooks, the Customer Center is where you record information about your customer. It allows you to create customer profiles and then use your customer's data to fill in invoice and other sale-related forms, as well as record customer payments. To create a new customer, use the drop-down menu. In the customer name field at the top, a unique name or code is required for the customer. For example, you can enter the actual company name. So if you are not adding further details, you can click OK to save the information and exit the screen. For a simple exposure to QuickBooks, this might be enough. Your professor will provide instruction on this. For more detailed setup, note the various tabs here. I'll briefly highlight each of them. In the address info, you can enter a different customer name. A name entered here will be used on customer forms, such as invoices, and will override the customer name entered above, which is your internal identifier. The invoice bill to address will be used on invoices. You can edit it through here. So in the payment settings, several customer-specific settings can be entered. The payment terms, for example, indicate the terms you are willing to extend. As an example, 2% 10 net 30 means that the amount is due 30 days from the invoice date, but the customer can deduct 2% if paid within 10 days. Always be careful with the use and storage of credit card information. This is where many data breaches occur, as you might have seen in the news. In a sales setting, where previously we've established in other videos, we can use it for every customer, or we can create additional taxes if necessary. On the Additional Info tab, note that customer types can be established. This is a way to subdivide customers in order to track sales and profitability for different categories. Creating custom fields is another way to track activity for customers. Job info is one more way to check customers, although it's not likely to be used in a retail environment. Now you can begin entering transactions without entering any of these details. However, your transaction processing will be more efficient and consistent when many of these fields are used. Hope you have learned more about the Customer Center in QuickBooks. This is the end of this video.